Hello friends, welcome to LearnTech. Today I'm gonna show you how to bypass hardware checking while you install Windows 11. I'm trying to install Windows 11 on uncompatible hardware. Click here next and trying to install. Install now, click. After click install now, setup is starting. You can type your CD key here, product key here, or you have to click I don't have product key. I'm selecting Windows 11 Pro. You can select your desired Windows. Then click. Here you will face this error message. This PC can't run Windows 11 if you installing on non-compatible or uncompatible hardware. Just press here Shift plus F10. Then you will find this command prompt. Then type here regedit. Then click enter. Press enter. After open registry editor, you have to go hardware local machine, H key local machine, then systems, then setup, then you have to find lab config key. If you don't find lab config, you can create that key. Just click on new and key and type lab config, LABCONFIG. L and C will be capital. Remind that. Lab config. After creating lab config, click on lab config and go right and click new key and divide 32 value. Just type bypass TPM check. BTPMC, that will be capital. Then bypass RAM check. B will be capital, RAM will be capital, check C is capital. Then bypass CPU check. Just check the spelling. B will be capital, CPU capital, and check C is capital. Then bypass secure boot check. B will be capital, secure CS will be capital, boot B will be capital, check C will be capital. And click on every key and set the value is 0 to 1. Zero to 1 on every value, every key. After that, you can close this registry editor. After that, close this command prompt window. Then you have to click back key. Then try to click next again. You can see our hardware checking window is bypass. Just click on I accept, then click next and try to install with next procedure. You can see my Windows is installing. Windows 11 is installing. Thank you.